Hello YouTube, today I have an older bicycle. It's flying cranes and whatever. It's a Chinese bike with a hub motor, and I picked it up for almost free. So I will try to build the battery again, so stay tuned for that. So I have opened the battery. As you can see, this older lithium type. I will replace this with the 18650, and I have to check out where the BMS is on the back side. So as I opened this tape, there was isolation, and I removed this, and as you can see, this is an older BMS. And you have here one S plus, one S plus, one S plus, and this is like parallel, I think. If you see this, this is like connected together to the BMS. Okay, the soldering has been removed. As you can see, this is a LiPo battery. You can purchase this from AliExpress, but in my case, I want to use my 18650 cells. So this is the BMS with soldering removed. I will make your... Now I will remove this old BMS because it didn't function. I will replace it with a Dali BMS. It's much smaller, and it should do the job good as it gets. So let's see how that will work. I have connected the minus of this to the left side with the cell number 1. Cell number 1. Here you can see it. I will connect this also together. The number 1 plus is going to this way. Also the second one, third one, fourth one, and so on until 7th. 7th is here. You can also check this with this such device, battery checker and balancer. You can also check, but in this case the cable, or how do you say, the plug didn't fit to this, but it should be theoretically possible. I also checked the each connection with the multimeter. From minus to plus is 3.7. The other one is 7.4 if you are having this and this, and so on until 25 point something, because 3.7 times 7 means over 25 volts. So this is now being checked. Here is the battery minus of the first cell and the power minus. Again, very easy if you are looking to other videos of me or the other YouTubers. Now I will make the isolation better, also the connection better, and plug this with this charging cable also, which leads to charging cable, and we'll try it out. Let's see how it works. Now this is the finished battery packet. I have connected this to the BMS, power minus, and this one cable to the minus pole, this plus one to this. Let's see how it works. Well, the bike is finished. Now I'm going to take it on to the test ride.